Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study chapter 6 triangles, exercise 6.5, question 10. A guide wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 20 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? So now basically this question is now very easy. As a wire is attached to a vertical pole, okay, guide wire, it's a wire, okay, attached to the vertical pole of height 18 meter. So there is a vertical pole of height 18 meter. So let's draw that first. A pole is there. Okay, a pole is there and of how much? 18 meter. So you have 18 meter and this is what actually pole. And in that a guide wire is attached to a vertical pole. So here there is a wire is attached. And how much it is? 20 meter long. So it's 24 meter long. So consider there is a wire is here. Okay, and this wire just hanging on this pole, this wire is there just hanging, and that length is how much? 24 meter. So this is what actually wire. Okay, has a stake now and has a stake attached to the other end. So this is the wire attached to the vertical pole, and that is the other end is attached to the stake. Stake means something that we catch them, hold it. Here something we will hold it, otherwise what will happen? This wire will be very loose, hanging here and there. So stake means there will be something to make this wire straight and tight. Now how far from the base of the pole? From the base of the pole. So base of the pole is here. So from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut. Meaning to say that from the base of the pole, how much distance we have to keep the stake. Stake means that will hold the wire tightly. Okay, so how much distance we have to give? The stake can be here, stake can be here, stake can be here. So okay, so from the base of the pole, how much distance we can keep the stake so that this remains tight. Okay, that is the meaning of it. So that means basically what we have to find out? We have to find out the distance of the base, means how far we have to, this wire can be kept here, it can be fixed here, or it can be fixed here, it can be fixed here. So how, where to fix that so that it remains tight? Because this is tightly, if you fix to the proper distance, then only it will be tight. So where to fix so that it remains tight? From the base of the pole. So we have to see where we can fix. So that means we have to find out the distance. So I hope it is clear to you. So let's join this line. So now if this is the pole and this is the ground, then this becomes 90 degree. So automatically it becomes the right angle triangle. And so this is ground. Because it will be on the ground only, you have to keep the stake somewhere to fix the end of the wire. So what should be the base? So let's name it this as a B, C, and we have to find out the distance here. Okay, so we can use the Pythagoras theorem, because we know the hypotenuse, we know the height, we have to find the base. Exactly like question 9 we have to do it. So by Pythagoras theorem, it will be AB square will be equal to BC square plus AC square. So AB square is what? 24. BC we have to find out. AC is 18. So 24 square will be how much? Those of you don't know, you have to multiply like this. So when you multiply, you will get it. So it will be 5, 7, 6. And then BC square we have to find out. So 18 square. So 18 into 18, you have to multiply like this. Those of you don't know, multiply like this. So 18 into 18, when we multiply, we will get 3 to 4. So now bring this 3 to 4 this side. So 5, 7, 6 minus. It is in plus. When it comes, it becomes minus. So when you minus, we will get 252. So square, you bring it this side, it will become root. So 252. So let's now factorize this. 252. So table 2 one time. In 5 it will come 2 times. Then here it will come 6 times. Again with table 2 in 12, how many times you will get 2? 6 times 2 will be 12. Then 3 times 2 will be 6. Now here with table 3 you can divide 2 times 6, 1 time 3. So again 3 will come 7 times. So 7 can be divided only by 7. So what we have? 2 times 2, 2 times 3 we have. So 2 times into 3 square into 7. So now this is in pair, so 1 will come out. This is also in pair, it will come out. Only 7 will remain inside. So 2 3s are 6. So this is our answer. So what you can write down? You can write down hence. What is written? How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? So you can write the answer will be 6, 7 meter, because other things are given in meter, right? So we write down in meter the stake should be driven for the wire to be taut. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.